Okay, ready? Hold on, let me take off the blanket. Okay, ready? Wait. Oh, I forgot to bring a charger. Okay, ready? 3. Are you done?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, 3. Wait. Okay, well, let's see what we got. Okay. My cleanser! Yes, is that a
Your
surprise?
thing.
Oh, bestie. I should probably open
That
this.
smells good. My cleanser. These are yours.
I'm not reading that all. I don't. They don't fit me anymore, so I give them to you.
I don't know why I said
Goldfish!
Babies. Oh yeah.
That photo's
What is it?
I don't know. Oh, Vaseline.
Yes! I got a Christmas one.
That's okay. Mm.
Thanks.
Smells really good. Pineapple apple pen.
What's this? Oh, you just threw it in a bag.
I felt like it. I got it.
What's the L for?
I don't know. I just felt like putting it in there. I like how you put a bow on top. I'm not worried
Combo
about the
smells
Reese's. It flips inside out.
That's why I asked you if you like gorillas or dragons.
What was the dragon one?
It flipped into a dragon fruit.
What was the other fruit? Oh, a dragon fruit. And oh, because why does its forehead look like it's seen?
I don't know.
Yes!
It's a huggaloo.
I put a bow on it because I thought it was funny. Rawr. Rawr.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Yeah, you can have it.
6, 7. This I. It's in here. One of the 400 things I put in there. What is this? It's a Christmas hat.
Oh.
Okay. So the video's about to end.
There's
Goodbye.
bees.
Goodbye.